In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Netlify account and deploy your website. Let's get started by visiting the Netlify sign-up page. This is the first step in creating your account and getting your website live. When you arrive at the sign-up page, you'll notice a few different options for getting started. You can either sign up using your email address or connect via a Git provider like GitHub or GitLab. This flexibility ensures you can choose the method that best suits your workflow. If you decide to sign up using your email, simply fill in the required fields such as your email address and a secure password. For those opting to use a Git provider, you'll need to authorize Netlify to access your account. It's a straightforward process, and once you've filled in the required information, make sure to verify your email if prompted. Verification is crucial as it ensures the security of your new account. After completing these steps, you'll land on your Netlify dashboard. This is essentially your command center for managing all aspects related to your sites. From here, you'll be able to add new sites, view existing ones, and access various features Netlify offers. Now, let's move on to deploying your site. Within the dashboard, look for an option that says Add New Site and select From Git or a similarly worded choice. This option is specifically designed for deploying websites from your repository, making the process seamless and efficient. Next, you'll need to connect your Git provider if you haven't already. Authorize Netlify to access your repository by following the necessary steps. It's essentially granting Netlify permission to pull your code, which is crucial for deployment. Once connected, you'll see a list of your repositories. Select the repository you wish to deploy. This selection is important because it determines which project Netlify will build and host. Before deploying, it's essential to configure your build settings properly. These settings are key to ensuring your site is built and deployed correctly. You'll need to specify the build command, which is the command that Netlify will run to construct your site. For example, if you're using a React or Vue application, the command might be something like npm run build. Additionally, you'll need to specify the publish directory. This is the folder in your project where the output files are generated, and it's usually named something like build, dist, or public. After confirming these settings, you're ready to deploy your site. Click on the Deploy Site button, and Netlify will take it from there. It will handle building and deploying your site, ultimately providing you with a live URL. With this URL, your site will be publicly accessible, and you can share it with anyone. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Netlify account and deployed your website. Enjoy exploring all the features Netlify has to offer, and happy deploying!